fellow classmates and geologists. My name is Caitlin Ho, and today I'm going to be talking about plate tectonics. I have several topics in this movie. I will be going over Earth structure, theory of plate tectonics, California geology, and deforming Earth's crust. Let's talk about Earth structure first. The Earth has 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, the inner core, and the outer core. The crust is solid and is the part of Earth that we live on. In ocean basins, it's 3 to 6 miles deep, and in continents, it's 35 to 70 miles deep. The mantle is the next layer of the Earth. It goes down about 1,802 miles and is made out of silicon, iron, magnesium, and oxygen. The outer core goes down about 1,429 miles and is made out of molten iron and nickel. The inner core is solid because of all the pressure and is 3,169 miles below the Earth, longer than the length of the United States. Now I'm going to be moving on to theory of tectonic plates. According to our science textbook, plate tectonics is the theory that explains how large pieces of the Earth's outmost layer, called tectonic plates, move and change shape. There are 7 major tectonic plates: the African, Eurasian, Indo-Australian, Pacific, Atlantic, North American, and South American plates. In 1910, Alfred Wegener looked at a map and noticed how South America and Africa looked like they could fit together. A year later, he did some research and found out that the same types of rocks are found in Africa and South America, along with the same types of fossils. Later, he suggested that the Earth had a giant continent that was surrounded by the ocean millions of years ago. He called this continent Pangaea. Tectonic plates float on the mantle. Since convection is happening inside the mantle, the continents are moving with it. There are 3 kinds of plate tectonic boundary. One is called a divergent boundary, which means they are pulling apart, a convergent boundary, which means they're pushing together, and a transform boundary, which means they're sliding past each other. A subduction zone is when a piece of oceanic crust slides under a continental crust. Next is going to be California geology. California is on the Pacific and North American plates. Before 225 million years ago, most of California was either on an oceanic plate or did not exist. The 3 tectonic plates that shaped California's geological history are the North American, Pacific, and Farallon plates. Around 25 million years ago, the Farallon plate completely subducted under the North American plate at one part of the boundary. In fact, the Juan de Fuca plate is what's left of this ancient oceanic plate. The North American plate and the Pacific plate touched and became a transform boundary. The transform boundary is known as the San Andreas Fault. Now I'm going to be talking about deforming Earth's crust. The process in which the shape of a rock can change due to stress is called deformation. Rock layers can bend or even break because of how much stress is getting put on them. When a fault is not vertical, there is a hanging wall and a footwall. So up at the top and the left side, the footwall is the one that's going up in a normal fault, and the hanging wall is going down in a normal fault. The reverse is true for a reverse fault. In a strike and slip fault, the 2 plates are going past each other. That's all I have to say for this video. Thank you for watching and being such good listeners. Here is my bibliography. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Keegan, can you turn off the music? Keegan, I'm filming. Cut that out. Okay. Making movies is so hard.